Are you worried about the instability in the banking system? Feeling the need to protect your hard earned money? Well, if so, you've come to the right place because in this video, we're going to introduce you to an alternative asset that allows you to say no to the entire banking system. Get ready to discover the power of gold. The price of gold shot up over the weeks following the shocking bank failures as nervous investors rushed to safety in the yellow metal. You may be wondering if it's time for you to do the same. But before you jump on the golden bandwagon, you might want to ask yourself, does it make sense to buy gold as part of my retirement plan? That's the $1,000,000 question, right? Well, stick around and you'll get the $1,000,000 answer. First, let's dive into the benefits of owning gold that might make it an attractive investment for your golden years. Owning gold offers numerous potential benefits. Here are 4 of the most important ones for anyone considering buying gold as a part of their retirement plan. Benefit number 1 is diversification. Because gold often does well during periods of recession or financial turmoil, it's often considered to be a counter-cyclical asset. That's why you'll see the gold price jump when the economy heads south. Because many people flock to gold to diversify their portfolios and get ahead of the market. It's like having an ace up your sleeve when things get tough. Benefit number 2 is liquidity. Imagine owning a valuable asset but struggling to find buyers for it. Well, fear not. Gold markets operate nearly 24/7 worldwide. There are always buyers and sellers ready to do business, making gold one of the most liquid assets out there. Number 3 on the list is gold being considered a safe haven asset. The truth is, gold has been a trusted safe haven for centuries. Whenever fear or uncertainty looms large, people instinctively turn to gold. Whether it was the 1970s, 2008, 2020, or even today, with the banking system showing signs of weakness, gold remains a shining beacon of security. And last but not least is gold's benefit of being a dependable inflation hedge. Gold has a remarkable track record of maintaining its value and purchasing power against inflation. Just take a look at the stagflation of the 1970s. Gold's annualized growth rate was over 30% per year over the course of the decade, well outpacing inflation. If history repeats itself, gold could be the financial shield that you need in times of rising prices, which is exactly why you'll want to hear what comes next. Now that we understand the potential benefits of buying gold, let's explore the different ways you can actually invest in gold. And don't worry, there are a lot more options available today than just going down to your local coin shop and picking up some gold coins. Now, some of the options available are perfect for retirement planning. So, how do you buy gold? Well, there are a lot more options available today than just going down to your local coin shop and picking up some gold coins. And some of the options available can mesh very well with your retirement planning. One of the most popular options for buying gold is through a gold IRA. Now, a gold IRA is just an IRA account that owns and holds physical gold coins or bars. Those gold assets are managed by an IRA custodian and held in a bullion depository. You can fund a gold IRA with a tax-free transfer or rollover of funds from existing retirement accounts such as a 401k, 403b, TSP, IRA, or similar account. This allows you to protect your existing retirement savings with gold without having to pay taxes or penalties. If you prefer not to use your retirement savings to fund a gold IRA, or if you prefer to store your gold at home, there's always the option of direct cash purchase of gold. Goldco offers a variety of gold coins from mints around the world, bringing you authentic gold coins directly from their manufacturers. One thing you'll need to be aware of is that when selling gold coins that you own outside of an IRA, their tax treatment is different and you'll have to pay taxes on your gains at the collectibles tax rate. Tax issues are something you'll want to consider when retirement planning and are something you should definitely discuss with your tax advisor. Some people prefer to buy shares in gold exchange traded funds, also known as ETFs. These offer exposure to the gold price through shares of funds that own gold. But there are numerous drawbacks to gold ETFs, and those shares cannot be converted into actual physical gold. For many people who want to own gold because it's physical, a tangible asset, and a safe haven, gold ETFs may not be the ultimate solution. Goldco has helped thousands of customers over the years benefit from owning gold, and they've made over $2 billion in precious metals placements for people like you and me. They work directly with mints so you get the gold that you want, and their numerous 5-star reviews speak to the efforts we go to make sure our customers are satisfied. The banking system's weakness is becoming more and more apparent every day, and the stock market's volatility is keeping investors on edge. When you diversify with gold, you can take control of your financial future and say no to the banking system. Whether you choose a gold IRA, direct gold purchases, or other investment methods, Goldco can guide you through the process and help you make informed decisions. Right now, they're offering a free wealth protection kit to arm you with every bit of knowledge you need to know to make the right decision. To get your free wealth protection kit, simply click on the link below or give Goldco a call today. In these uncertain times, gold can be your most trusted ally. Say no to the instability of the banks and build a stronger and more resilient financial future with gold.